Now we're going to actually start the revision with going through the Using Our Calculator booklet. Now it's important to see that the maths department intentionally have spelt calculator wrong. Reason for this being that literacy is very important within the new spec GCSE examination questions, so I suggest that you learn how to spell calculator before actually even attempting this booklet. Now as you can see, there's a calculator sign there and there is no X over the calculator sign. That means that for all questions posed within this booklet you are able to use a calculator. Now I'm also going to say at this point that at no point throughout this booklet has any of the footage been edited, because you only get one chance in life, so I only get one chance to attempt these questions, and really I haven't got time to go through it and edit it so I sound a lot better. So question 1. The question posed is: use your calculator to work out the following calculations. Now it's important to read on and see what it's asking after the question posed, and it says write down all the figures on your calculator display. That means that when you get your overall answer, there is no need to round it, just write down everything you see on your calculator display. Now to start off with, it says bracket 2.3 plus 1.8 close bracket squared times 1.07. Now the easiest way to tackle this problem is to actually do everything within the bracket first. So we'll start off by adding 2.3 and 1.8 and pressing the equal sign. Now you can see on the calculator right here it says 41 over 10. Now all you need to do is press the SD button right here, SD. Now that stands for standard deviation, and it turns your fractional answer into decimals. So right here we've got the answer 4.1. So let's write that down. 4.1. So just to recap, 2.3 add 1.8, the answer is 4.1. Now we've done everything within the bracket. Now we need to square that answer. Now there's a little bit of a misconception here. People think that squaring a number, just because there's a 2 there, you times that number by 2. That is incorrect. You actually square that number, and to square a number you times that number by itself. So the actual calculation would be 4.1 times 4.1. Now we're fortunate that it's a calculator paper, so we'll take our calculator and all we'll do, we'll actually press the x squared button right here. We'll press x squared. So if we press x squared, that means that 4.1 is going to be squared. So again, you'll see you'll get a fractional answer. Press the standard deviation button. That will give you a decimal answer. So 16.81. So we've got to write that down so the examiner knows that we have actually answered part of that question, and we will retain one of the marks for the 2 indicated just by writing down 16.81. Now the final step is, once we've got 16.81, we just times that answer by 1.07. So let's times 16.81 by 1.07, press the equal sign, and we get 17.9867. We just write that in the answer box down here. And we've just got potentially 2 marks out of the 100 mark paper, which is fantastic because it's equivalent to 2%.